VS Particle, they've developed a technology that you can make particles on the nanoscale, so very small particles of almost any material that you want, even combining different materials together, which in the end we find changes the functionality and the performance of the materials very, very uniquely. We've actually used VS Particles in lots of different ways because you can make nanoparticles of different size and composition. They can actually have different optical properties, meaning that they can absorb light in different wavelengths, and we can actually tune which part of the solar light is absorbed by changing the composition with a push of a button with VS Particle, which is something that we have not been able to find in any other technology. Everybody's initial reaction is, this can't be. It's too easy, it's too simple, it's too elegant. You can't really do that. How do you have such control over these things? So I think this is an opportunity. Instead of building the old infrastructure based on fossil fuels, we can actually start with a brand new infrastructure with renewable and sustainable energy technologies.